There is great news. Both myself and Foxanne here, my Reliant Fox, will be at the Lancaster Insurance Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show with Discovery Channel at the NEC in Birmingham, 18th to the 20th of March. I've got a discount code for you. We're also doing a ticket giveaway, so stay tuned for details. But yeah, this is the event that was meant to happen 2 years ago. I flew back from Australia to be home in time for the restoration show that year, and of course COVID chaos, it didn't happen. Foxanne ended up sitting for a year, but she's now recently been fettled by the Reliant Owners Club and is better than ever. And that's relevant because while you'll find me on the Hubnut stand in Hall 4, Foxanne is going to be separate. She's going to be near the live stage, which I think is Hall 5, but don't quote me on that. On the Reliant Owners Club stand. They are also working on a Rebel, another little four-wheeled Reliant, with Practical Classics magazine. Practical Classics, it is their show, so that's going to be very interesting to see as well. I'm looking forward to comparing notes with the Practical Classics guys. It'll be good to see them again. So yeah, Foxanne will be there. She'll be on the Reliant Owners Club stand. There's a few little improvement jobs they're going to try and sort out, a bit of wiring, maybe the wiper spindles, we'll see. But it's going to be fun times. Before then, I must adjust up the front wheel bearings. Adam told me I must do this after the recent rounds of work. Both front wheel bearings were replaced, and now they've bedded in. It's time to just tweak them up, so that will be happening. But yeah, if you would like tickets for this great show, then head to their website. Details will be in the description below, and use the Hubnut discount code. So if you put the code in Hubnut, you will save £2 on a ticket, whether that's an adult ticket, family ticket, concessions, whatever. £2 off your ticket. So that's quite handy. Thank you very much to the organisers for doing that. I will not be alone on the Hubnut stand. My friends Steph of iDriver Classic and Matt of Furious Driving will be joining me again also, after we had such a wonderful time at the main NEC show last November. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It's a great show. It's a bit smaller than the big November show, but a little bit more focused, a bit less shiny, and you'll see a lot more cars in the same sort of condition as Foxanne, restoration projects in progress. If you want to see the nitty-gritty of what's under the skin of some of these cars, then do come along. Some of the clubs will put on amazing displays. There's the Carol Nash barn find area, where they tend to have the best barn finds they can find. So cars that have literally just been dragged out of sheds or wherever will be on display, and that'll be great to see as well as the live show with live stand with whatever's going on. Practical Classics are usually restoring cars throughout the weekend. So I think the Reliant Rebel will be being completed. I saw some photos recently of that car, and it was little more than a bare body shell. In shows gone by, they've had cars in bits on day one on the Friday, and they've driven them out on the Sunday. So that's a lovely aspect of this show. There will be some live actual progress. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. You are most welcome to come up and have a good look at Foxanne. If the guys are around on the stand and with their permission, you're welcome to have a sit in Foxanne. Adam actually cleaned the interior. It's no longer a biohazard. But obviously I just ask that you be a bit careful. But yeah, please come and have a look around. I know how much people love this little car, and I know you're looking forward to seeing her. It's going to be a bit strange that we're going to be separated in the show, but that's just the way it's working. We haven't got such a big stand. I'm only taking one vehicle, and having promised it to Reliant Owners Club stand 2 years ago, I thought it was about time we honoured that. Now the show is actually happening again. It is very, very exciting. I am going to be doing a ticket giveaway. So if you want to take part in that, all you've got to do is email the cubic capacity of this little engine in Foxanne, the little Reliant all-alloy engine. Send me the capacity by email, subject competition, to ian@hubnut.org, and I will pick one lucky winner who will win a pair of tickets to the show. Really good at the November show to meet the people who won the tickets for that one. So this is real. This isn't a joke. We will actually be doing this. All the terms and conditions can be found on the show website, so look at the link for that. But this is something we do. And like I said, Hubnut as a discount code, get you a couple of quid off your ticket. So all the good times, but really looking forward to it. It's going to be a great show. There's so much going on. Like I say, I'll be with my friends Matt and Steph again. Be selling merchandise, which is fitting because I've got a cup of tea. It's going slightly cold here. The larger capacity mugs will be available. We still have a few calendars. I think we're into just the seconds now, but the ones that are less than perfect, so they will be dirt cheap and will last as long as they last. But yeah, really looking forward to it. 3-day show, not as busy as the November show, not as big, so you can get around it comfortably in the day. And like I say, the focus, if you like Hubnut, it's kind of Hubnut's dream car show. It will be absolutely excellent. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll put that down and drink that in a moment. And I look forward to seeing you in a future video. All the details in the description below. Head to the Hubnut store if you wish. It isn't compulsory. And me and Foxanne will see you 18th to the 20th of March in Birmingham. Looking forward to it. Farewell.